Hello family, friends, and YouTube. Welcome to the workshop. We're getting into November. The workshop is closed in now. You saw a while back I finished the door, finished my lighting, and this is my heating. So what I am using for heat this season is a two-burner Mr. Heater setup. And what you see here is this is my little, I inherited a old 100-pound propane tank that does not have the neck on it, and so I had to come up with a solution to mount it. So it is the ballast on that piece of plywood. I've got one piece of ironwork bolted to another to get it to the right height, and then it clamps on. The specs on this is it maxes out at 30,000 BTUs. Once I did the math on this, I found that anywhere from 20 to 25 is what I would need when it's really, really cold, if I want to raise it like 40 or 50 degrees. And so right now the one burner at low, I believe, is burning 10,000 BTUs. And from what I've read, the one burner will consume one burner on low will consume a 20-pound propane tank in about 43 to 48 hours. So that's a lot of heating. That's continuous heating. I've never had to burn so far, even in November, more than about 3 hours in a weekend. So that's my stand. That's the unit. I do have a little box fan to kind of circulate air. With that one burner going and temperatures outside in 35 degrees, it will raise this room, 500 square foot room, it'll raise it about 7 degrees in an hour, which once you get to about 60, I'm pretty comfortable with it. Why? For me to install a wood stove out here, I'm going to have to pay for a wood stove, I'm going to have to pay for a chimney, and my home insurance is going to go up at least $200 a year. I have an unlimited amount of fuel. Well, I have a lot of fuel that I could use in a wood stove, but once you start throwing all those costs, and since I do work off farm, it doesn't make sense yet. I believe to fill up a 100-pound tank is around $75. To fill up a 20-pound tank cost me about $15. This I bought at the Home Depot for a high $60 range, just under $70. And so this doesn't require any electricity. It requires propane, of course, but my thought is that even if it costs me $100 a winter to operate it so that I can heat it on weekends, that's worthwhile at this point in my life. Would I want a wood stove out here? Yes, someday, but when dollars and cents get added up, it doesn't make sense at this point. Plus, this is very portable. If I want to take this with a 20-pound tank out to a hunting shack, I can. If I'm working on someone else's home, helping them do construction, it's very portable. A wood stove would not be portable. So this is what I'm using to heat the shop this winter, and I'm pretty pleased so far. We'll see how it's doing in January, right? So this is Joe at Youngblood Family Farm. We're just you guys take care, and we will talk to you later. Bye now.